Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can copy an N8N JSON to a new workflow. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged in to your N8N account, and then click on Personal and click on Create Workflow. Next, you are going to open the JSON file that you want to copy. Here is a sample of a JSON file that we can use for N8N. So, simply select all the text, and then on your workflow, paste it by clicking on Ctrl V. Before being fully set up, you may need to change some credentials and you're good to go. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!